Before making its public debut on August 10 at the 2023 Indonesia International Auto Show, Mitsubishi is excited to showcase the exterior styling of its new compact crossover. It doesn't have a name yet, but we have confirmation that the model will essentially be a toned-down version of last year's XFC concept. The styling has been essentially carried over, but now with regular door handles, side mirrors instead of cameras, and less glitzy lights. The production version remains faithful to the concept's design, with a few notable changes, such as adopting smaller diameter wheels, conventional mirrors, and door handles, along with redesigned skid plates without the fancy daytime running lights. Furthermore, a new pattern for the grille and slightly different LED graphics for the Y-shaped lighting units have been introduced. Despite these adjustments, the new model retains the adventurous stance and muscular body carried over from the XFC concept. The vehicle will be offered with a 1.5-liter engine, a continuously variable transmission, and front-wheel drive. It'll ride on 18-inch wheels and offer a segment-leading ground clearance of 8.7 inches. The new model is poised to compete in the booming compact SUV segment, boasting dimensions of 4,390 millimeters in length, 1,810 millimeters in width, and 1,660 millimeters in height. That makes it larger in every direction than the Renault Captur rebadged ASX sold in Europe. This new model is touted as being an all-Mitsubishi effort primarily intended for the Association of Southeast Asian Nations region. However, a more global footprint hasn't been ruled out, but it depends on how popular the model will be in the targeted markets. Mitsubishi isn't revealing the interior just yet, but we do know it'll feature a bespoke Yamaha sound system. A previous teaser did give us a clue about how the dashboard has been designed by following the side-by-side screen setup that's all the rage these days among automakers. Looking back at last year's XFC concept should paint an accurate picture of what to expect from the production model's cabin. Following next week's debut, the compact crossover will go into production at the Mitsubishi Motors Indonesia plant and will be shipped to customers from November. Joining it at the 2023 Indonesia International Auto Show will be the EKX EV electric kei car, which will be exhibited for the first time outside Japan. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.